Hello children, this is Prasanna. Today in this video I am going to explain 1.3 word problems. In the last video I have explained 1 to 6 word problems. Now coming to 7th question children. The cost of 7 2/3 meters of cloth is rupees 12 3/4. The cost of 7 2/3 meters is given as 12 3/4 rupees. Find the cost per meter. Here per meter means you have to find the value of 1. Okay. Here length of cloth you can say they are in direct proportion. Length of cloth. So here cost of cloth if you take, what is here they give 7 2/3 meters of cloth is rupees 12 3/4. Then what is 1 meter cloth? We don't know x. Okay, actually it is division, right? So when the value of many is given, how to find the value of one children? By doing division. Now here if you take 7 2/3 into x equal to 1 into 12 3/4. Okay. Now 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 23/3 into x equal to how much? Convert this improper mixed fraction into improper fraction. 12 4s are 48. 49 50 51. Okay. 51/4. Now when this multiplication will transpose to other side, it will become division. So x is nothing but 51/4 divided by 23/3. Now convert this division into multiplication by taking a reciprocal of second number. So 51/4 into 3/23. So in here you got 51/4 into 3/23. Any cancellation here? So 51 3s are how much children? 3 1s are 3 5s are 153. Okay, 153/4 into 23 is how much? 3 4s are 12 to 92. Okay, 153/92. So convert this into mixed fraction. 92 divided by 153. 92 ones are 92. Here 3 minus 2 is 1. 15 minus 9 is how much? 6. Okay, so how you write this as mixed fraction? 161/92. So this is what here x is the cost of it. Okay, therefore the cost of cloth per meter is nothing but rupees 161/92. Coming to 8th question children. Find the area of a rectangular park. What is the area of rectangle children? Length into breadth. Which is 83/4 meters long. Here long is nothing but length and 8 2/3 meters broad. Broad is nothing but here width. Okay. So what is this given length here? 18 3/5 meters. Convert this into improper. 5 18s are 18 5s are 90. 90 plus 3 93/5 meters. Okay. Then what is breadth here? Breadth and broad is nothing but, so breadth is given 8 2/3 meters. Okay. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2 26/3 meters. Now you got length and breadth here. Now we should find the area. Area of a rectangular park. Okay. What is the formula? L into B. That is 93/5 into 26/3 square meters. Meters into meters is nothing but square meters. You know the units for area is given by square. Okay. Now first see any cancellation is possible here. Yes, 93 will go in 3 table, right? 3 1s are 3 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Still any cancellation children? So 31 into 26/5. So multiply 31 and 26. How much you get? 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So you got 806. That is 806/5. Okay, you can convert into mixed fraction. 5 1s are 5, 3 left over, 5 6s are 30, and here 5 1s are 5, 1 left over. This is so square meters. This is called the area of a rectangular park as 161 1/5 square meters. Coming to next word problem children, 9th one. what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided by to get minus 11 by 4? So here this number should be divided by what number? Means we don't know that, right? So we should let the dividing number be x. Here minus 33 by 16 divided by what number means x, so that you will get answer as minus 11 by 4. Okay. Now coming to here, convert this division into multiplication. So minus 33 by 16 into 1 by x. Reciprocal of x is 1 by x minus 11 by 4. Now this is minus 33 into 1 minus 33 and 16 into x 16x equal to minus 11 by 4. Here both sides negative is there, you can cancel children. Now you can do cross multiplication, it will be easy, right? Now 16x into 11 is nothing but 33 into 4. Okay. Now what is x here? 33 into 4 by 16 into 11. Any cancellation here? 4 ones are 4, 4 the 16, 11 ones are 11, 3s are. So x equal to how much you got children? X equal to 3 by 4. So when you divide minus 33 by 16 with 3 by 4, you will get minus 11 by 4. You can check children. So minus 33 by 16 divided by 3 by 4. Here convert the division into multiplication by taking reciprocal. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4, 4s are 3 ones are 3 11s are. How much you got children here? Minus 11 by 4. Next question children. If 36 trousers of equal size can be stitched with 64 meters of cloth. Okay. Using 64 meters of cloth, they are stitching how many trousers here? 36. And what is the length of cloth required for each trouser here? So they gave many. How to find one by doing division? Okay. Now here 36 trousers will take 64 meters. Then one trouser how much? Okay. Now here this is number of trousers and this is length of cloth. So cross multiplication when you do 36 into x equal to 1 into 64 meters. So what is x here? 64 by 36 meters. Okay. Cancellation possible. 3 2s are. Okay, I am doing with 2 table. 2 3s are. 2 2s are. 2 1s are. 2 8s are. And again 2 table. 2 1s are. 2 6s are. 2 9s are. Again 16 and 9 will go in any table? No. 16 by 9 convert into mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9. 9 how much? 7 left over. 7 by 9. So x equal to 1 7 by 9. Is that clear children? So how much cloth required for one trouser? 1 7 by 9 meters. 11th question children. When the repeating decimal 0.3636 so on, this is non-terminating repeating decimal is written in simplest fractional form by p by q, find the sum of p and q, p plus q. Okay. Here first we have to convert this non-terminating repeating decimal into p by q form. So take x as 0.363636 so on, and here 36 is repeating recurring no, so 0.36 bar is the right. Here 3 and 6 is repeating, so x equal to 0.36 bar. Now here what is period children? Period is 36 because 36 is repeating. And what is the periodicity? Periodicity is nothing but 2 here. So take this equation as 1. If the periodicity is 2, we should multiply both the equation 1 both sides with the 100. Okay. So 100 into x equal to 100 into 0.3636 so on. So 100 into x how much? 100x. Here you are multiplying this decimal with 100. So for 2 zeros the decimal will move to 2 places towards right side. So here it will come. So 36.3636 so on. You get this is equation 2. Okay. Now 2 minus 1 you do. What is 2? 100x is equal to 36.3636 so on, minus x equal to what is x here? 0.3636 so on. Now when you do this all zeros, you will get 0.6 minus 0, 6, 3, and 100 minus x, 99x. Okay. So 99x equal to 36 you got. Then what is x here, children? X equal to 36 by 99. Here cancel with 3 tables, children. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 33. Again 12 and 33 will go in 3 table. 3 fours are 12, 3 11s are. So x equal to 4 by 11. So this is in the form of p by q. P by q is nothing but 4 by 11. Here p is 4, q is 11. Here they are asking find the sum of p plus q. Then what is p plus q here, children? 4 plus 11, how much? 15. That is the answer. So by this we completed unit 1 rational numbers. I hope everyone understood this chapter.